there. I hope we can keep this meeting quick. I got a big meeting downtown in 45 minutes, and I cannot be late for it.
I know that doesn't give us a lot of time, but I know how hard it is trying to schedule meetings with Matt, so I thought we should take this slot and make the best of it.
Well, to dive right in, we talked a lot about the retirement question last time, but we also have big questions about life insurance. When Lucy left the Royal Bank a few years ago, she lost her life insurance coverage. In addition to Royal's life insurance, Lucy and I took out separate 20-year term life insurance policies of $1 million each when Xander was born. Now, those policies are set to expire early next year, and we're not sure where that leaves us.
It seems crazy not to have life insurance, especially given the kids are still teenagers, but it's so expensive now that we're older.
So, we need advice as to what you'd suggest. Do we still need life insurance? And if yes, what type should we purchase, and how much will it cost?
Neither of us have critical illness insurance now either. I know Matt has disability insurance through his work, but it's also not a big amount.
I also want to know if it makes sense to top up Ella's RESP. Well, how much room do we have, and how do we go about doing it?
I wish we just maxed them out when the kids were small.
Last thing I want covered is taxes. I know we could be doing more to reduce income taxes. Now that Lucy's retired, maybe I should be income splitting with her or even with Xander. Or maybe I could be writing off more expenses, like my home office or my car. I spend a good chunk of time at home working in the evenings and on weekends at my home office, and I don't bother writing any of it off currently.
I was also wondering about industry-specific investing. I mean, technology stocks are all the rage, but they're so expensive. And oil and gas and gold stocks were hot a few years ago, but they're so cyclical. You know what the steady eddies of the Canadian stock market are? The financials. I was thinking that we should forget about diversifying across the stock market and just focus in on financials. We'll get dividends and growth, and we'll be a lot safer than investing in tech or resources. What do you see as the risks of investing in financials and of focusing in on a specific sector?
Maybe they have a better sector for us, Lucy. Don't make them narrow in so much. Why don't you guys give us your best stock and bond picks for our portfolio? I'm sorry, I have got to go. I think we've given you a lot to work with.
See you soon. Hopefully it won't be as rushed next time.
Bye.